Number 8, closely related, Taylorism and micromanagement. We've already been talking about utilization and resource efficiency based on the ideas of Mr. Taylor and Mr. Ford. Point is, we're no longer training farm boys to pick up a tool at an assembly line. The idea that the manager is the benevolent superior who knows what to do and how to solve problems is completely outdated. On the other side, try walking in their shoes if they fall back in these kind of categories. Would you entrust your career a bunch of hoodie-wearing nerds? Would you risk your ability to pay back your student loans or your mortgage or support your family that a bunch of people is making the right decisions that will support your standing in the organization? A lot of people don't think so. They believe they have to do what is necessary and tell other people what to do. No one is teaching servant leadership in business schools. And the result sometimes is, like the CEO of Haier, the Chinese appliance manufacturer, recently mentioned in an interview, that they started transition with making about 10,000 managers redundant because they were not providing value to the customers. And this is the fear. Remember when Zappos was going in full holacracy, they lost about 15-16% of the staff because all those people who didn't want to go that route, who said, no, I didn't join here to lose my title and my career. I go somewhere else. And I switched to a more traditional role model.